Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your agendas in the 24Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Smart Alerts button. And at the General section, first you can set on and off your daily agenda. So just click on, and if you did that, you can now set your specific agendas like tomorrow's or today's. So just click on that and give a time to set it like this, and you can also do that with today's. So just do that, and your agenda's time is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.